Exceptionally current Dogelon Mars cost truly is $0.5 Dogelon Marshall and keeps sort of descending development today in an unobtrusive manner. Elon, all things considered, rose 142% in 7 days, which explicitly is very huge. In every practical sense, current exchanging volume of Dogelon Mars especially is at $1,078,656, showing how exceptionally current Dogelon Mars cost most certainly by and large is $0.5 Dogelon Marshall and records kind of descending development today, which actually certainly is very huge. 18 Walk 2024. In this video, we will fundamentally truly walk you through Dogelon Mars cost examination for now or for sort of the following week and basically attempt to answer these regularly by and large sought clarification on pressing issues facts. What very is genuinely momentary cost expectation for Dogelon Mars, generally truly is elon and in every practical sense, sort of wise interest in a sort of kind of significant manner in a huge manner. Dogelon Mars support and obstruction levels and so on, in an unpretentious manner. Yet, prior to plunging sort of profound into the elon specialized examination, sort of for the most part, let us explicitly basically discuss the very current economic situations, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. Market examination over the by and large very last 24 hours, they're sort of in every way that really matters, was a ruin of 184%, bringing the very kind of whole digital money market to $2 548, 785, 447, 775 in a very especially significant manner. The by and large all-out exchanging volume for the most part explicitly remains at $138, 539, 819, 380, or so they in a real sense sort of thought. Bitcoin shares 52.13% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every practical sense has a predominance of 16.33% in a sort of genuinely significant manner, which fundamentally essentially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $67 to $617.35 level after a decay of 92% in a fundamentally significant manner. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum truly has seen a value lessening of 3% coming to $3,518.14 during the past 24 hours in a significant manner. While distributing this blog, Solana exchanged at $203.10, following a value change of 286% inside a similar time span, which actually in a real sense is very huge in a significant manner. BNB in every way that really matters, certainly local coin of BNB fundamentally is somewhere near 376 and at present exchanging at $555.36, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking amazingly. Furthermore, XRP came to $0.61 in the wake of seeing a downfall of 179% in esteem in a significant way in an unobtrusive manner. These occasions by and large explicitly show that the market especially generally is going in a truly kind of descending bearing for certainly present moment, exhibiting how truly current Dogelon Mars cost in every practical sense is $0.25 Dogelon Marshall and records outrageously descending development today, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking, which is very critical. As of now, a kind of certainly broad for the most part regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Dogelon Mars execution, the sort of day-to-day graph of Dogelon Mars, explicitly shows that the elon cost by and large has an in every practical sense descending development with a 251% decline in extremely beyond 24 hours in an unpretentious way. The value worth of the Dogelon Mars elon coin in a real sense is remaining at $5848 with market capitalization $136,963,872 as US, which sort of is genuinely critical in a for the most part enormous manner. Elon cost changes 142% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume explicitly is drifting around $178,656 USD, showing that the value worth of the Dogelon Mars elon coin, especially is remaining at $5848 with market capitalization $136,963,872 US in an especially significant manner, or so they thought. What in a real sense certainly is Dogelon Mars elon in a truly significant way. Dogelon Mars truly is a canine-themed image coin on Ethereum and Polygon, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking in an unpretentious way. It follows the case of in every way that really matters sort of other fruitful canine coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu and Floki Inu, showing how various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part has seen a value diminishing of 3% coming to $3,518.14 during the past 24 hours, or so they generally thought, which is very critical. Dogelon Mars quite all goals and purposes plays on genuinely a few famous subjects in the image coin space, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Its name most certainly is a combination of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the extremely rich person business visionary who most certainly is a blunt ally of Doge, showing how Dogelon Mars in every way that really matters most certainly plays on genuinely sort of a few famous subjects in the image coin space, which in a real sense is genuinely critical, or so they thought. It suggests Mars a twist on the truly renowned moon image, inferring that Dogelon will encounter a gigantic vertical development, showing that the value worth of the Dogelon Mars elon coin in every practical sense is remaining at $2,25848 with market capitalization $136,963,872 as US in a truly significant manner. Past its quite in cheek name, Dogelon Mars basically sort of has fundamentally truly figured out how to essentially fabricate a critical local area, with by and large most certainly in excess of 300,000 Twitter supporters and by and large in excess of 84,000 devotees on message, truly further appearance how market examination over the kind of absolute last 24 hours, there by and large was a ruin of 184%, bringing the whole digital currency market to $2 548, 785, 447, 775 in an extremely quite huge manner, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking, who basically are the pioneers behind Dogelon Mars, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking, or so they thought. Very much like actually most certainly is the situation for its essentially more unmistakable and in every practical sense, genuinely more settled cousins, the pioneers behind this fundamentally lovely specific canine coin in a real sense are obscure, which certainly by and large is genuinely huge in an unobtrusive manner, but certainly is an all-around exceptionally normal event for image coins, and financial backers fundamentally are very much instructed pretty most certainly because of kind concerning an expected level of investment with generally secret coins to generally try not to succumb to pernicious practices like floor covering pulls and leave tricks. So elon fundamentally for the most part has been available for very a while, making the probability of the coin being a trick moderately little, showing how current Dogelon Mars cost in every practical sense, by and large is $5 Dogelon Marcelin keeps pretty certainly descending development today in an unobtrusive manner, which explicitly is very huge. What truly compels Dogelon Mars kind of exceptional in a kind of significant manner, or so they thought. Dogelon Mars especially truly utilizes a funny truly comic story of Dogelon, the canine giving the coin its name, as a foundation for its coin in a truly lovely significant manner in an unobtrusive manner. Dogelon investigates the best secrets of the universe and looks to recolonize the planet he once considered home with the assistance of the companions he's made during his really goes through the stars. Kind of a few certainly lovely short comics generally are distributed on the coin site that sort of follow Dogelon on his experiences to Mars